Hey, good morning, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. Buddy and I hope you're doing well today. We made it to the weekend. I went out yesterday and picked up a few videos. I had a doctor's appointment in the morning, nothing major, just to check up. And after that, I went out to Cajon and picked up a few for you. So hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you want to go a little bit further, you can help us out on Patreon or Super Chat. Super thanks. All right, you guys. We love you. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks. Good afternoon, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. We got main track number 2 here, westbound. Right around milepost 76. And the H2 down there on the right side down. Looking beautiful. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel and share with your family and friends. Pretty warm out here. It's a nice easy catch. All right, you know what to do. Subscribe and get those notifications. All right, we love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. We'll watch a couple more.